Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate messages in Slack to save time on recurring updates, reminders, and welcome notes using the 2026 Workflow Builder. Step 1. Open the Workflow Builder. In 2026, the hub for all automations has been consolidated into the More menu for easier access. Click on More in the left-hand sidebar, hover over Automations, and select Workflows. This opens your automation gallery. To start a fresh automation, click the New Workflow button in the top right corner. You can choose to start from a template or build from scratch if you have a specific custom message in mind. Step 2. Choose your trigger. A trigger is the event that tells Slack exactly when to send your automated message. Select a trigger from the list. Common triggers include on a schedule, perfect for recurring Monday morning updates; a person joins a channel, great for automated welcome messages; an emoji reaction, sends a message whenever someone reacts with a specific emoji, like a check mark; from a link, allows anyone to trigger the message by clicking a button and a channel or canvas. Step 3. Add the Send a Message step. Once the trigger is set, you need to tell Slack what the actual automation should do. Click Add Step and search for Send a Message. Choose whether the message goes to a specific channel, a direct message, or the person who triggered the workflow. Type your text in the message field. You can use variables, the curly bracket icon, to include dynamic info, like the username of the person who joined or the current date. Click Save, then hit Publish in the top right corner. Your automation is now live and will run quietly in the background. And that's pretty much it. To automate a message in 2026, go to More, Automations, Workflows, click New Workflow, and pick a trigger. Add a Send a Message step, customize your text with variables, and hit Publish to let Slack handle the repetitive pings for you. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.